So we're on the way to Chatsworth Christmas event, and this is Chatsworth House just there. We're just going to park up and have a look at the event.
He knows if you've been fed up and so we got lost in this sin. Well, you better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout until you are. It's coming to town. Get down the chimney tonight. Santa baby, a 54 convertible to light blue. Oh, really? I'll wait up for you, dear Santa baby, and hurry down the chimney tonight.
Jeez. Oh, that's probably part of the light display, isn't it? Hi, welcome to Adventures with Becky. So me and my parents went to Chatsworth House for the Christmas display and Christmas markets. In this video, if you wait until the end, there is a light display outside the side of Chatsworth House, which is absolutely beautiful. It lasts about 5 minutes, but it is honestly worth it. There is also a light trail that I went on. Look out for little fairies that are throughout the videos, and just enjoy the experience that I was so lucky to have. All right, so enjoy the video.